When your CPE is powered on, but the connected devices can't access the internet, here's how to diagnose and resolve the issue by observing the LTE indicator light. Section 1. LTE indicator is off. If the LTE indicator is off, it usually means the SIM card is not detected or there's a system issue. Reason 1. SIM card not detected. You can check it on Web UI. Solution. If the web interface shows no SIM card, reinsert the SIM card following the correct orientation. Reason 2. System abnormal or crash. Solution. Unplug the CPE's power and reboot the device. Section 2. LTE indicator is flashing. If the LTE indicator is flashing, it could be due to one of the following reasons. Reason 1. SIM card PIN code is locked. Solution. Unlock the PIN code to restore internet access. Reason 2. Data switch is turned off. Solution. Turn on the data switch in the settings or reset the CPE to factory settings. Reason 3. Incorrect APN settings. Solution. Correct the APN settings, or perform a factory reset to restore default configurations. Reason 4. Weak or no signal. Solution. Change the device's location to improve the signal strength and check the signal bars. Section 3. LTE indicator stays on. If the LTE indicator stays on, but there's still no internet, consider these possibilities. Reason 1. Data usage limit has been set. Solution. Disable the data limit feature or reset the device to factory settings. Reason 2. Certain devices are blocked from accessing the internet. Solution. Disable MAC address filtering or reset the CPE to factory settings. Reason 3. Data plan has run out. Solution. Top up your data plan to restore connectivity. If you've tried all these steps and still face issues, it may be time to contact customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.